Hello students, welcome once again to online platform of Little Flower School, Salempur. Good morning to everyone. This is Archana Mishra with GSC of class 4. Today we will continue the same chapter which we have studied last day. And this one question we have done last day. Fill in the blanks we were doing. Chapter 2, fill in the blanks we were doing. And the first question, this photosynthesis is the process of making food by leaves using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This we have finished last day. Today we will continue with the second question. Let's start writing. I hope that most of you have bought books. So if you have bought the book using pencil, you can fill in the book itself. And if you don't have book, in the same copy in which we were writing earlier, no? Take that notebook and start writing with me. And if you have the book, write into your book. Second question is tiny pores. Write tiny pores on the tiny pores on the surface of tiny pores on the surface of leaf are called tiny pores on the surface of leaf are called dash. What they are called? We have studied in the chapter. They are called stomata. What they are called? Stomata. So what is correct answer? Stomata. Please write it. Tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called stomata. Okay? Write it. I hope that all of you have written in the book or in the notebook. Write it. Now third question. Green color of the leaves is due to green color of the leaves is due to the presence of dash. What is question? Question is green color of the leaf is due to the presence of dash. And we have to write the answer now. Do you remember what is the answer? Answer is chlorophyll. Green color of leaves is due to presence of chlorophyll. Write the answer. Please write it. Green color of the leaves is due to presence of chlorophyll. Now, moving to the next question. The dash. Please write it. The dash absorb water. The dash absorb water and nutrients. The dash absorb water and nutrients from the dash absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The dash absorb water and nutrients from the soil. What absorb? Root. What will be the answer? Root. Yes, the correct answer is root. Please write it. Root. ROOTS. The roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Now, moving to the last question. A dash between, let's write with me, a dash between, a dash between, a dash between plants and animals, plants and animals, a dash between plants and animals, a dash between plants and animals is is essential, is essential in in nature, nature. A dash between plants and animals is essential in nature. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer for this? We have studied very last topic of the chapter, that is a balance between plants and animals, and the answer is balance itself. That a balance between plants and animals is essential in nature. So what will be the answer? Balance. B A B-A-L-A-N-C-E. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. A balance between plants and animals is essential in nature. This is all about filling the blanks. Please note it down. And if you have the book, write in the book itself. I am getting a site. Take the screenshot on your mobile if you have not written, and later you can stop it and write. Otherwise, you can pause the video also and you can write it. All the 5 tenses, please do it. Then we will move to the next exercise of the same chapter. Choose the correct answer or pick the right answer. Both are same. Don't get confused. Choose the right answer or pick the right answer. Both are same exercise. Okay? Notice? I hope all of you have taken this screenshot or written it. Written it, no? Yes. Now, we'll move to the next exercise. Choose the right answer or choose the correct answer. This. Start writing with me, or if you have the book, do the exercise, this exercise in the book itself. Okay? Yes. Second exercise. Choose the right answer. In your book, it is given pick the right answer. And if you have the book, pick it in the box given in the book. And if you don't have the book, what you have to do? You have to write it into the copy. And when you get your book, no, then you have to do it in the book using pencil. Never use pen in the book. Okay? This. Choose the right answer. Choose the right answer. And in this context, first question is, to make food, plants use dash. First question is, to make food, plants use dash. And the option given is oxygen, right, like this option. In your book, box is made, but I am not making the box. I am writing A, B, C. Okay. First option is oxygen. Those who are writing, they will write like this, and those who are ticking in the book, they will just put a tick mark. Oxygen. Then after oxygen, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. And the last option is nitrogen. What is that? Nitrogen. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. And the answer for this question is to make food, plants use carbon dioxide. So which option is correct? Option number 2 is correct. Option number B is correct. What will be the answer? This answer. Answer is B. Or don't write B, just write carbon dioxide. And if you are doing it in book, put a tick mark in front of the box given there. In front of carbon dioxide, one box is made in your book, no? In that box, put a tick mark. Now I am going to rub this second fill in the blank. I hope all of you have written. Moving to the second question. Food made by plants is stored in that. Food made by plants is stored. Food made by plants is stored in dash given here, but this question does not give any sense. So what we have to write, this is printing mistake I think. Then what we have to do, we have to add three words. What will be that? Stored in the form of. Please note it. If you are writing in the book, then also you add this in the form of. Up to in it is given in the book, but the form of it is not given. Okay. Then what we have to write? In the form of. Then write the option. First option is starch. Second option is glucose. And third option is honey. Once again I am telling this question. Food made by plants is stored in dash is given in your book. But we are adding three more words here, the form of. Because the options which are given, no, they are not appropriate according to the question. So we are adding three words, the form of, then we will get exactly the answer. In the form of starch. Yes, our answer is starch. What will be the answer? First option is correct here, and that is starch. Okay? Yes. Now, moving to the question number 3. Now I am cleaning this fill in the blank. Okay, please notice. Up to question number 2, you notice. Otherwise, if you have book, then make the correction and write. Question number 3 is extra food is stored. Please write it with me. Extra food is stored. Extra food is stored in different parts of the plant. In different parts of the plant. Extra food is stored in different parts of the plant in the form of in the form of extra food. Now ask. This question both are same itself. Food made by plants is stored in starch, milk, and sugar is given. No? Yes, the second option is starch, glucose, and honey. And in third question, extra food is stored in different parts of the plant in the form of dash. In the form of dash. Again, the options given are starch, starch, then milk, and then sugar. Again, it is asked about storage of the plant, and the answer will be same here. Again, starch. Option is correct, starch. And this food made by plants is stored in that. That is, if we talk about the food made by the plants, in question number 2 is withdraw. Food made by plants is stored in which form? Extra food is getting converted into starch and that gets stored. But this plants use this glucose as food for energy and building blocks for growth. Don't get confused in question number 2. In question number 2 also same thing is asked. It's stored. And if it is asked that, suppose in the question number 2, if it is asked food made by plants is used in the form of, then we will write glucose. But here again it is asked, see here, both words are same, stored and stored. It is extra food, then in the form of starch. But again, this is also about the storage of food only. That's why we will write the same answer, starch itself. If it is about the use of food, then we will write glucose. But it is also about storage and this is also about storage. So our answer will be same. What will be the answer? Starch. Now next question. Question number 4. I will not write down because you will not be able to see. Please note it, and if you have not written, understand and then write. Otherwise, take a screenshot on your mobile or pause the video and you can watch. You can write properly. Otherwise, take a screenshot and later you can note it properly. Again, I will make the confusion clear. This is about the extra food and then storage. Then answer will be starch. Here also, it is about the food. Extra food is not given, but it is given about the storage. And food is always stored in the form of starch only. So we will write the answer as starch. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to the first question and we will move to the question number 4 of the same exercise. Question number 4 of the same exercise. Please note it. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, this liquid is used to test a leaf for starch. What is the question? This liquid, note it along with me. This liquid is used to test a leaf. This liquid is used to test a leaf for starch. This liquid is used to test a leaf for starch. Do you remember the answer? 3 activities we have studied in the last class. Based upon this, what is the answer? Do you remember? Okay, I will give a clue. What thing is found in the common salt or the salt which we use? Do you remember now? Iodine. The answer will be here. Iodine. Okay. Let's write. First option is alcohol. Second option is chlorine. And third option is iodine. And now I told the answer. Recall it. What will be the answer? Iodine. Yes. Answer is the third option is correct. Option number C. And the answer is iodine. Iodine is used to test a leaf for stars. Now we will move to the next question. I am writing the second question. Again, understand the things, understand the questions, and then write the answer for this. Once again, I am telling, if you have the book, take in the book, and if you don't have the book, then write into the copy. Last question. This gas is released. This gas is. This gas is. This gas is released. This gas is released during. This gas is released during photosynthesis. Do you remember what is photosynthesis? I have taught you in the last class about the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food. So I think now you remember the answer. Yes, oxygen is released during the process of photosynthesis and carbon dioxide is used. Remember always, carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is released. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. Let's write the option. Option number 1 is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Then option number B. Option number B is oxygen. Oxygen. Then option number C is nitrogen. Nitrogen. So what is the answer? Answer is second option is correct. Oxygen. What is correct answer? Oxygen. Option number B is correct. Oxygen is the answer. This gas is released during photosynthesis. Which gas? Oxygen gas, which we take for breathing. That's why we say that plants are very, very important for us. Please note it down. Again, I am getting aside. Take the screenshot. Otherwise, pause the video and note it. Okay? Yes. Because now we have to move to next exercise. And next exercise is about true or false. Write T for true and F for false. Again, I will say the same thing. If you have the book, do it in the book. And if you don't have book, do it in the copy. Let's move to the next exercise. Write T for true and F for false. Understand the things and write it properly. Yes. Exercise 3. Write T for true and F for false. Means if the statement is true or correct, then we have to write T. And if the statement is wrong, we have to write F. Let's see first question. First question is, green plants are the main producers of food. What is the first question? First question is, green plants, please note it down with me. Green plants are the main green plants are the main producers of food. Green plants are the main producers of food. We have studied that green plants are main producers of food because they can make their own food, and from them only we and animals, means human beings and animals, and every creature in this world gets their food. That's why they are called the main producers of the food. So this statement is true. That's why what will be the answer? We will write it T. Please write it if you have the book, only the answer, and if you don't have the book, write it into the notebook. Now, second question. A yellow leaf, right? A yellow leaf, a yellow leaf turn, yellow leaf turn blue black. A yellow leaf turn blue black when 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 few when few drops of when few drops of iodine solution when few drops of iodine solution when a few drops of iodine solution are put on it are put on it are put on it. What will be the answer? Now you may be knowing the answer. We have studied that green leaves only turn blue black because they can only prepare the food. Yellow leaves can't prepare, no, because they do not have chlorophyll. And if they do not have chlorophyll, they cannot prepare their food. And if they cannot prepare their food, they will not have any starch. And if they will not have starch, what will happen? This iodine solution is used only for the test of starch, no? If there will be no starch, yellow leaf will not turn into any color. So this is false. So what answer we have to write? F. F. Now moving to the next question. The carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis. In your book it is given needed for photosynthesis, but we have to write is needed for photosynthesis because is not given, that missing. So what we have to write? The carbon dioxide is, please add into your book is. This is not given there. The carbon dioxide is needed for photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide is needed for photosynthesis. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct because green plants can prepare their food only when there is carbon dioxide. Without carbon dioxide, they cannot prepare. So it is also correct. So what we will write? C. Carbon dioxide is needed for photosynthesis. Now, moving to the next question. The midwife takes water to all parts of the leaf. The midwife takes water to all parts of leaf. The midwife takes water to all parts of leaf. Two types of veins we studied: thin veins which are found there, and then we studied about the mid veins. And it is asked in the question about the mid vein. This is false because the thin veins take water to all parts of the leaf, but it is given here the mid vein, so it is false. Correct answer will be thin veins, not mid veins. So what we will write? F. What we will write? F. Now last question. Photosynthesis can photosynthesis photosynthesis can photosynthesis can take place photosynthesis take place in can take place in dark room. In dark room. What will be the answer for this? We know that in presence of sunlight, roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. And if there will be no water, how this food will be made, how the process of photosynthesis will occur. So this is again false, and the answer will be F again. Okay? Okay? Notice, otherwise, if you have not written, take the screenshot on your phone and later you can write, or pause the video and you can write it later. Do it. Pause the video and you can write it. Okay? Otherwise, take the screenshot on your phone and note it. Now, we will move to the next exercise. Now, all of you have to write. All of you take out your notebook. Those who have books also, and those who do not have books, they also. Now we will move to next exercise. Give reasons. For that, you need to take out your notebook. Even if you have the book, take out notebook. Write today's date. Then write chapter 2, and then write the chapter 2 and chapter's name. Plant making food. This is the name of your chapter. Plant making food. Plant making food. And write the question with me. Question and answer both with me. Exercise D. Give reasons. Give reasons. Some facts are given, and for that we have to write the reason. First question is, leaves are green in color. This we know that leaves are green in color, but we have to write reason why they are green. Leaves are green in color. Now we have to write the reason for this. They are green in color due to presence of chlorophyll. Due to presence of chlorophyll. Write it. Due to presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. So you have to write due to presence of chlorophyll. Due to presence of chlorophyll. Now next question. In areas with less grass, many deer will die. In areas with less grass, in areas with less grass, many deer will die. In areas with less grass, many deer will die. Now we have to write the answer for this. If there is less grass in the area, deer will die. Why deer will die? Because they will not have enough grass for the food, and they will starve and die. So what will be the answer? Because there will be, what is written, in areas with less grass, many deer will die. Then the answer will be, because there will be less grass for them to eat, so they will starve and die. Because because there will be less less grass for because there will be less grass for. Now I am going to rub this exercise C. I hope now you have finished writing. I hope all of you have finished writing exercise C. So I am rubbing this exercise. Understand the things and write. Take your time, understand and write. You can pause the video in middle and you can understand the things and you can write. Because there will be less grass for them to eat, so they will so they will starve and die. So they will starve and die. For today, this much is enough. And when we meet next day, we will complete the remaining exercise. You write it properly. You can pause the video in middle and you can write it. Okay. Otherwise, take a screenshot and write. Okay. When we meet next day, we will complete remaining exercise. Thank you, class.